Hey everyone, it's Amara Vida here. Okay, so this is canva.com. This is where I use to make posters and stuff. It's pretty cool. I use all the free features. So I just logged in with my Google account. So I always like to look at improvements if it tells me. Okay, so I really got nothing out of that. Sometimes I read stuff and it's like blah blah, and other times it really makes a difference. So basically, they're just like upgrading their stuff. So, anyways, I just wanted to send my daughter like a little inspirational something. So I decided I would create something for her and show you how to do it. Let's see what I have in all of my designs. Oh, so I was trying to make a logo for my business. And I really liked this, but it's copyrighted when it's on here, which I didn't know. So anyways, that's what I was working with, but I really like that background. So I think I'm going to continue working on that. But I guess this is all that I have here. So right here are templates. So you can, as you get familiar with it, it'll create something for you and then you can adapt to it. So usually I post my stuff on Instagram, although be careful because like the sizes when you do it, they don't actually match. So I'm not sure if I'm doing something wrong for myself, but anyways, I'm going to go right here to a poster. No, because I want it to be more of like a post. So I think I'm going to go right here to, oh, the postcard is cool. Oh, certificate. So if you're a teacher, well, I'm doing a 30-day challenge. So let's just use this one because I know something that I want to do. For that, and then I'll do my daughter's inspirational one. Anyway, so I'm gonna look at what are offered and see if there's something I like. I really like those watercolors. I like this one too. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open up this one. See if it says anything about copyright or anything. Okay, so I'm just gonna go to use this template. Okay. So we could work together. So just like in Google Docs, slides, all that stuff, and I think I don't think Microsoft does it online now too. But right here, you can click the share button and you could invite somebody via email, and then you could have them, so it says share link to edit. And if you want them only to view it, like, so tell me what you think about it, you'd use this one. And then if you had a business and you were gonna always use, like, so if I got blew up, right, on TikTok, let's say, and I have this always on as my design, and I wanted to use it as a template so my virtual assistants could set up all my Instagrams and stuff like that, then I would buy this pro. But anyways, just for me, I'm just gonna not click anything because I don't have anybody else to help me. But this is how you do that, so that's definitely a lifesaver. Oh, I didn't show you the copy link. You could just copy the link and send it out that way. It's the easiest. Okay, so I'm gonna tell him, I'm gonna hit pause because I don't know how to hit the fast forward. I'm just using the freeze screencast-o-matic. Okay, so check it out. I've been working a little less than 5 minutes. I basically used whatever was there, and I added in this Amara Vida right here, but I did want to show you guys how to do something cool. So like, let's say that I've clicked on that and this was just a text. So I went over here to text to add something, and then you have different options here. So you're resizing, you choose from the options, and then you resize inside the platform. But right here, you can click on more, and then you can go to right here, and then you can lower it down. So I did that with my business, and this is cool. I'm probably going to change the name. I mean the color. But anyways, I just wanted to show you what like 5 minutes could do. So, okay, so my wording is done. I'm going to go look for two pictures. So I just wanted to show you how to do that. I'm going to go into photos and then search right here. So anyways, this is where you go to, and you saw that when I was looking for a sun and a moon, it literally found exactly what I was looking for. I decided the picture that I wanted, and I want a sun and moon yin yang. So I wanted to show you how to upload that back into Canva. Oh dang, those are pretty intense. Let me find something. So I found something. It's at allfreedownload.com. It doesn't look like it's going to be a PNG though, so let's see. So we'll copy the image. Let's see if we can go in and do this in Canva. And then you click. You used to be able to just drag it. So let me see if I can just paste it. Oh yeah, you can. So it doesn't have, I don't want this background. So what I'm going to do is go up here, go to remove BG. This is so easy to remove the background. And then you can just drag and drop it. So I don't know if I can do it straight from here. Let's see. Oh, cool. Wow, I literally grabbed it right out of there instead of copying and pasting. So then it just removes it. You click download. And then it's ready to go. And I think with Canva, you used to be able to just do this as well. Yep. Boom. Then you can just resize it. So I'm going to go ahead and find a picture of the moon that I like, and I'll be back. Okay, so I'm done. I mean, that really took less than 15 minutes for me. A newbie would probably take like 30 minutes. Totally worth the time and effort. I think he looks like he's floating. Anyways, well, I'm glad that you joined along, guys. There's so much stuff. Your templates are here, your uploads are here. So this is what I brought in. Any videos that you have, you can just drag and drop it. Now everything is so cool. I mean, like GIFs and things like that. Audio, I didn't even know it could do audio yet, so that's neat. Your photos and obviously your search bar there. So different kinds of shapes and stuff like that are on here. So yeah, your text boxes, I showed you that. Music. So it looks like this is a free one. Not a lot of free options, but there's some there. Very cool. Very cool. With the platforms now, everything is so open. It doesn't have to be black and white. It doesn't have to just be still. So it's really awesome. Here are your backgrounds that you can use. Folders of things that you've purchased or your likes, like your little story, your Pinterest story, I guess, that you can have on there with Canva things that you enjoy. Oh, QR codes, that's huge. I definitely need to add those on there. Oh wow, I didn't know that all of this integrated. So really cool, guys. Anyways, thanks for checking it out. I hope you enjoyed. If you want a tutorial on how to get it, like each step broken down, let me know. I'm happy to make one. Spread the love, y'all.